In this video, we're going to be discussing the booking calendars for your engagement widget. So as you can see, I have 3 booking calendars in this widget. Nothing is set up here, but I wanted to show you that you can actually add up to 3 calendars per widget. So if you have different calendars for different reasons, these can be team calendars from inside a HighLevel, or they can be individual calendars, right? So let's just say, hypothetically, I only have one calendar, or maybe it's a team count, like a calendar group that I wanted to show. So I'll just have this one booking calendars tool. When I click into it, I have a few options where I can start customizing this. So the first thing is the title. Now this title shows on the front of the widget. Okay, so if I click here, I can change this to schedule a call today. As you can see, nothing changes inside of the widget. Oh, I have to actually select a location here. Okay, so before I try to save, just so you know, this is going to show on the front of the widget. If I copy and put it into the panel title, as you can see, it changes the text up here. Okay, see that? It goes from booking calendars to schedule a call today. So the panel title is inside the widget. The title is on the front of the widget. Then we have tool visibility. So I can show this always, working hours only, or after hours only. And this is configured in the widget settings. You have to, if you have office hours established, then you can show or hide the widget based on the office hours. I'm sorry, show or hide the widget tool, the booking calendars tool, based on the office hours. So let's get down to actually setting this up so I can actually save it, because it's restricting me from saving it until I have the calendar actually configured. So first thing is first, you're going to need to set up your agency level API key from HighLevel. And then you will be able to pull in all of your sub accounts from that HighLevel. Okay, so I'm going to choose ChatHQ. Now I have the ability to choose, this says team, but they've been recently changed to calendar groups. So we'll get that changed, but I can choose any of these groups. I'm going to go ahead and choose the onboarding team. As you can see, if I just choose that group, I'm going to see all the calendars that are associated with that group. Okay. And if I keep it like this, I can click into these and they are going to show the individual calendars for each of these. Okay. But if I wanted to, I could select an individual calendar and just choose one of them. So for example, if I wanted to show all of my group calendars, I would have all active calendars selected. If I wanted to show a single calendar from that group, I would select this and choose the calendar. So now that we have our executive onboarding session selected, I'm going to go ahead and apply changes. And as you can see, if I go back, see how the front of the tool changed in the widget. So it says schedule call today. I can actually go in here and say like book onboarding session, save this, and now it says book onboarding session. If I wanted to change the icon here, this is the default icon. The default icon is always going to show in the settings here, but you can change it on the widget. If you go down to the very bottom, I can select from a list here. I can say like calendar, maybe we'll go date, see if date's a good one. Day, let's just go with calendar. So now it's slightly changed, right? The original was still a calendar. As you can see, if I go back, there's the calendar there. There's what the calendar looks like there. So you could change this to whatever you want, but the idea here is that you have the ability to change this icon here. So you could just change it to be, I don't know, a bug if you really wanted to. Okay. If I go back, now we have a little bug there. So that is booking calendars. As of today, as of recording this video, we only integrate with HighLevel calendars, but we will be integrating with Calendly as well, and some other potential calendar services. So I hope you guys learned a lot, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.